morning, everyone. Wow, this is very sleepy Ashley. Today we're going to be doing a what I eat in a day. So we're starting off with breakfast. Morning. Girls are here waiting for their breakfast. For a long time I was on like a smoothie kick, but I kind of recently got tired of it. What I've been really into lately are these little cauliflower thins from Trader Joe's. They're incredible, you guys. You can put them in a pan, you can microwave them, you can toast them, which I usually toast them because I like them a little crispy. They are soft, so they don't toast well, but Alicia Marie taught us that we can toast things with the toaster on its side. So that's a huge key to these. This is made out of cauliflower, so no bread involved. I believe there is a little bit of cheese in this, so if you're trying to go dairy-free, Gelson's has these egg thins with cauliflower, which kind of feels a lot like a crepe, but there's 0 carb and 0 dairy in this one. I love them both. Today I'm gonna go with the cauliflower thins just because it sounds good. I usually like my eggs a little runny like this, just a little bit, where it's like kind of hard but kind of runny. I don't know if there's a proper name for that, but that's how I like my eggs. It's seriously so good. I feel like you can kind of think of this as like a bread replacement, but in my opinion, a much more flavorful bread replacement. So good. Good, right? Telling you guys. I'm gonna eat this, enjoy my coffee, and do my morning devotion. And I'll see you guys for snack 1. Okay guys, it's like 10:40, almost 11. I always love just like a simple fruit for a snack. A banana's a go-to, an apple around this time of year is a go-to, or like 3 baby clementines. I love clementines around this time too. But a banana's probably one of my go-tos. I love them, it's so good. Also, I think at the top of the day, it's really important to get the sugars and the carbs that you need to give you enough energy to get through the rest of your day. So that's why I prefer having a fruit like at the top as my first snack in the middle of the day. Also, this is not an ad in any way. This is an ad-free video. However, I am a huge fan of liquid IV. 1 packet of these equals 3 glasses of water. And especially around this time of year with the flu season coming, I just love to stay as hydrated as humanly possible. And so I'll throw one of these in the middle of the day. Not every day, but today I'm feeling like a little just blah. Hydrate. It's the key to everything. I'm gonna finish up my banana, get back to work, and check in with you guys for lunch. Hello guys, and welcome back to Ashley Convinces You to Get an Air Fryer, part 2. Obviously, no pressure, but when I say that our household uses this baby every single day, I mean it. Every single day. I don't have a huge plan. I have these ground turkey patties. I love ground turkey, and I think I'm gonna make myself a little hamburger. Now, if you don't know what an air fryer is, it's basically a very fast working little oven. Essentially, you just open up the basket, spray a little olive oil. That part's not necessary, but I find that the cleanup for the basket is a lot easier if you spray a little olive oil beforehand. A little tip for you. All you have to do, open up whatever's going inside, place it inside the air fryer. Now again, I've mentioned these before, but I love Flavor God. They are a sodium-free, most of them are sodium-free seasonings that have the widest range of seasonings out there that I have found. I'm obsessed with them. They come in savory flavors, they come in sweet flavors. Again, not an ad. Big fan though. So I'm just gonna go in with the everything seasoning and sprinkle a little bit on all of them, and then also go in with my bacon seasoning and just give it a little drizzle, just for some good flavor. Okay, now for the best part. We have our patties all ready to go. I'm just gonna slide it in here like so. I'm gonna turn this on, and then all of my options are right here. Now there's not specifically like a turkey option, but there is a steak option, a chicken, fish, shrimp, bacon. Over here there's bread, cake, vegetables, fries. If something's frozen, I'm gonna go ahead and click chicken because that's essentially the type of meat that it is. This says 25, but because these are very thin, I'm gonna go ahead and lower the time from 25 to 15 and then press start and you're good to go. Okay, I'm sorry that's a little loud, but I'm also the queen of snacking. I am constantly buying new things to try and snack on. I have a bunch for today that I could try for you too. But this I just got is a vegan ranch dip from Trader Joe's. I don't know anyone that doesn't like dipping carrots in ranch. I'm not being super strict right now with my food, but I do in general try to have as little dairy as possible. It does make me bloat. I also love cheese, so I'm trying to find a balance somewhere in there. On a day-to-day, I try to keep as much dairy out of my system as possible. And then if I do go out with friends or splurge or something, your girl's for sure getting a cheese board. So that's just where we're at in life right now. And this is my real first reaction. Tastes like ranch. It tastes like a watery version of ranch, but it's good. I like it. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these egg thins and make a little bit of a like turkey wrap. I've never done this before, so we're gonna experiment together. I'm gonna chop up some things and I'm gonna stir fry a little bit of vegetables to go inside and some lettuce and stuff. And then we'll give it a go. Okay, the baddies just beeped, so let's go ahead and take a look. There they are. They look incredible and they even smell incredible. So while I waited, I went ahead and made a little like serving station, I guess, with the sauces and like a little like raw veggie, of course. I have the world famous, just kidding, but very famous in my house, garlic spread from Trader Joe's. I have the ranch spread that I just showed you guys. I finally found a vegan goddess, which is like the green goddess dressing, but vegan, so very pumped for this. We have spinach, onion, carrots, and a little bit of arugula, because I love arugula. And then we have some pickles over here and some mustard. Big mustard fan. We assemble. Okay guys, I think I went a little too big. I'm not sure how I'm gonna roll this exactly, but here is the finished product. This is a turkey burger wrap thing. To be honest, I don't really know what to call it, but we're gonna dive in. And I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably thinking, Ashley, I know you don't eat like this every single day. There's a lot of effort that went into this. True, I wouldn't have made it as pretty, but no, I make lunch like this all the time. And I realize that I'm privileged that I get to work at home. It makes eating at home a lot easier. But this is pretty straightforward for me. I love cooking. I'm not a good cook. I wouldn't call myself a cook, but I love to do it. And that's where we're at. Oh my God, it worked. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's so good. Wow. Big fan. Big fan. These are stronger than you'd think. I'm gonna finish chewing. This is really great. Also, the ranch goes really well. And especially with like the pickles and stuff and the onion, it does taste more ranchy. You know what I mean? Also, because you guys already know, I'm snacky. I have to replace all the normal snacky things with healthier options. Otherwise, I'll just eat the whole bag of Doritos. Normally with like a burger or sandwich, I would do like plain potato chips. These are just plantain chips from Trader Joe's. God, I'm a big Trader Joe's fan. I feel like this should be a sponsored video with them. These are just regular Trader Joe's plantain chips. While this was cooking, I tried it with the ranch, and that's the move, guys. So good. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna stop you guys from watching me finish this whole thing. I will check back in for an afternoon snack. Okay, bye. Hey guys, it's a little later and I am running some errands. I'm actually in line right now at one of those like drive-through car washes. I digress. So when I'm out and about running errands or you know, doing anything and I don't have time to like make a healthy snack at home or have something a little more substantial, one of my favorite things to grab is a split. I've talked about these, Alicia's talked about these, Miss Remy Ashton has talked about these. We are so obsessed with these. This is basically the equivalent of 12 almonds and a fruit. One of our go-to snacks at all times is a fruit and some kind of healthy fat. For a fruit, it's usually like banana, apple, a handful of berries, and then some kind of healthy fat will give you enough energy to get through the rest of the day. An example of this would be a little bit of avocado or a handful of almonds, but I don't always have time to plan for stuff like that, so that's where this comes in. This is 1 packet of peanut butter, 1 packet of grape jelly. This isn't just like Smucker's grape jelly. I've actually tried the jelly on its own and it's not very sweet. The ingredients is dry roasted peanuts, organic cane sugar, water, and grape juice, concentrate. Basically just kind of like knead the peanut butter so it's not super runny. Tear off the lid and enjoy. So good. Also, this is something I like to take kind of like a pre-workout, if that makes sense. I've learned that if I work out and I start to get a little like headachy or lightheaded, I'm a little depleted and my body needs some kind of energy source to pull from to get me through the workout, and that's why this is perfect, because I don't like eating heavy before a workout either, but this does the trick. I love splits, you get the point. Hello guys, it's a little bit later. I just finished a cycling workout. Felt great. I'm out of breath. Rosie has an itch, evidently. What I like to do after a workout is immediately get some kind of protein in it. That is something I've heard my entire life, is to quickly get protein in your body after you have a workout. For me, one of the easiest, cleanest things for me to do is just have a hard-boiled egg. So I made some. I've shown you guys these before. This is the egg cooker. It comes with this little dome. All you do is put the eggs inside, poke a little hole in them, put the lid on, pour a little bit of water in, and turn it on. You guys might recognize this. I got Alicia a little one for Christmas like 2 years ago, and she claims to this day that it's one of the best presents I've ever gotten her. It was like $15 on Amazon, so I'm gonna have that linked below for you guys if you want. Here are the eggs. What I like to do is immediately dump them in cold water, and it makes peeling them so much easier. And there you go, a perfect little hard-boiled egg. For a minute last year, I started buying pre-hard-boiled eggs, like the bagged kind from the grocery store. I'll never do it again. Homemade ones are so much better. Okay, I'm gonna finish this, hop in the shower, and then start making dinner. So for tonight's dinner, we ended up making steak and salad. I did the steak, Lita did the salad.
It's so good.
Good?
Mm-hmm. I feel like you
Remy,
popped off
good?
the rim here. So good.
I thought it well.
This flaky salt.
Honestly, right? I mentioned this in my Amazon favorites video, but flaky salt is our new best friend. We got it during quarantine and it's gonna be a part of our family for the rest of forever, I think, especially with steak. But also, we sprinkled it on chocolate.
Do it on the dates with the almond butter, chocolate, little flaky salt.
I'm gonna finish up dinner and then I'll see you guys for dessert. It's a little loud, but for dessert, keto bark. Taryn Renee, there she is, way over there. She got me on this, way over there. This is the best, like, little bit of sweets that you need before bed.
Have you tried it for real?
5,
Yes.
6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
They are salted bark thin, so it's dark chocolate, crumbled almonds, and salt on top. So freaking good. They're sugar-free and just like the perfect little size. I'll show you. Normally these would be frozen, but the ones that we had in the fridge ran out, so I'm gonna put these in the fridge right now. But this is the perfect little size. It is only 120 calories, and my godsend, to be honest. I'll just like slowly eat it, and it's delicious. I mentioned it a long time ago, but we like to have fruit right before bed. The celebrity nutritionist that I saw, I did a whole video on it last year, basically said that a fruit before bed helps you sleep better, and the more sleep you get, the better your body is in general. So literally ever since then, it's been almost 2 years, I've been having a fruit before bed every single night. It changes all the time. Sometimes it's like bananas, sometimes berries. Right now I'm doing dates. I'm on a date kick. Nokas, we love Nokas. I'm actually out right now. I had the last one last night, but dates are really good. Depends on the size of fruit. If it's dates, I'll do like 3. If it's berries, I'll do a handful. Obviously 1 banana counts, but yeah.
Applesauce.
Applesauce. And yeah, that is the end of my what I eat in a day. Hope you enjoyed this. That's really all I have to say. I'm gonna finish this and go to bed. It's really late and I'm really tired. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.